I'm Joe Sapio, and I'm your next DA. There's been a lot of talk by Mr. Porsche about appellate wins. An appellate win or an appellate record is the court record. That is the court making a determination about the rules of evidence, what can or cannot be allowed into a trial. Did the court make an error? If there's an acquittal, if somebody is found not guilty, there's no appeal. If there is a plea, that person waives their right to appeal. So it's hard-pressed for a defendant to plead guilty to a crime and then say, I want to appeal this, and win that appeal because they have waived their right to appeal the conviction. It seems preposterous that we're currently hanging our hat on that record. Somebody has waived their right to appeal, appealed, and they've lost, and the district attorney considers that a win. Likewise, it seems preposterous that the district attorney is holding his hat on the court's record. The district attorney should be thanking the judges for allowing or disallowing certain rules of evidence to make sure that the record is preserved. What there is no talk of is the actual trial record. And records that I've pulled from the Seneca County Clerk's office show that there's 36 trials that have been had by the office of the district attorney. 2 felony DWI trials, neither of which resulted in any criminal conviction. And there seems to be some sort of talk that Mr. Porsche prosecutes all of the DWIs in Seneca County. There's only been 2 felony DWI trials, neither with a felony or misdemeanor conviction. And the records that I've gathered show about a 36% felony conviction rate after trial. That's not acceptable. That's under 40%. With regards to the entirety of the office, the conviction rate for a felony is under 50%. Likewise, that's unacceptable. Mr. Porsche has made some comments to say, I've prosecuted this many felony trials. That might be fine and dandy, but he's not winning that many felony trials. And he's looked at some other places like Wayne County that have had fewer, or another county I'm not even sure of, but they've only had a couple in the last couple of years. And that's because those district attorneys are preparing the cases, they are gathering the evidence, they're working with law enforcement to present a solid case to defense counsel. What those district attorneys are saying is, look, we've got a solid case. If you want to push a trial, you are going to lose. And if you are going to lose, the judge is going to hear certain facts that the judge doesn't know now. And you're looking at the possibility and the likelihood of an increased sentence. People plea because the proof is put in front of them. And that's what we have in other counties. That is what we do not have in Seneca County.